Lift, right, lift. Pull it on. Left turn. Right. Detail. Halt. Present. Turn. Pledge allegiance.
Will you please join me in the Pledge of Allegiance, please? For appropriate and salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Ready? Two. Left turn. March. Forward. March. Step on left. 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 Right. Left.
We'd like to ask you to participate with our vendors here and help us out. Also, we have 50-50 tickets, and don't throw them away after the 50-50 drawing. We have about 30 certificates for various restaurants.
That's a pretty nasty ride from back in the day. Big block stage 1 Buick. Real nice paint too, man. That paint is deep. Flawless and black. Black being about the toughest color to do. This one is sharp. And about 1.5 miles deep in there. Nice big block. Alright, now there we go. This thing is detailed to the nth degree. This is a big bore 454. It's been blown over to 464 with it during a frame off, utter, complete, absolute restoration. The details and the cleanliness down here are just incredible. Golly, that's a nice ride. Again, I just gotta look at that paint. That paint is just flawless and ocean deep. Golly, I like that thing. This is a real sweet little 41 Plymouth pickup. To tell you the truth, I didn't even know Plymouth made a pickup. This little guy is tidy. That paint is deep.
It's all original. Come here. Look at this little radio over here on the side. It's a little...
Nice ride. Nice. Fuel injected. 375 horse. 65 vet. Complete with all the gears too. Sweet.
It's only 3,600. So then I took them.
go. I really like this little guy here. I think this is a 61, but it's got the little 260 V8 in it. Clean car. Bench up front, clean interior. And that good sweaty vinyl we all enjoy so much. But man, that paint's nice. Just a very slight orange feel, but I think that's actually enamel. I don't think that's a clear coat paint job. Nice job. How can you not like those lights? Look at those antennas, isn't that cool? Pretty neat ride.
Attention.
Well, you don't see that in a Gremlin just every day. Back in the college days, you saw these little cars all over the place. I always thought they were kind of neat in a funky sort of way. But back then, what I liked about it is you could put just so much stuff in the back for, well, it was a lot more active in those days. The rivers and such around hill country in Texas at that time. I know for a fact you can put 3 tubes in there for tubing down the river. My buddy Ted had one of these things, and we've done it on a couple of occasions. Pretty neat ride. Here's another real sweet pickup. I think I probably got this on a video in a previous show. I've seen it a couple times. Man, it's a nice ride.
Nice talking to you, man.
Nice talking to you.
Well done in here. And well done right there. Good looking ride. Alright, there we go. Big block. In a 71 Chevelle. Good looking ride too. I like the wheels. Yes, sir. Pretty nice car. I always kind of like these things. They were just kind of funky enough to be neato in an odd way. Nice little ride, but look at this. There was a time when these things were all over the place, but you don't see them very often anymore. I like that little tabletop there. It looks like it actually swings out. Pretty neat little getup. Here's a little Monty that is just about as close to showroom delivery day ready as you can get. That is just like it rolled off the wagon, isn't it? Pretty clean little unit right there. Well, you just can't help but like this little Plymouth rag top. Sucker's sweet. You already got a rag top, and then you got a little guy like this. All the neat stuff, 3 on the tree. Ready to roll.
This girl costs $5.
Neato. Yes, sir, Bob. That's a good looking Roadrunner right there.
I don't know.
GTX. What's really neat is if you're gonna have that monster motor, you gotta have all the gears, and he's got them.
It's got the same tartan pattern trunk bed as that Roadrunner.
Good looking. There's a Roadrunner. That's how they were. Stripped down little Belvedere, bench seats, very little car with a nasty motor. Now this one here has the full air grabber gear on it. That's neato. I like those cars. And this one just showed up a few minutes ago, and if you didn't see it, you certainly heard it. This is a nice ride right here. But how can you not like a GTO? That's a drop top. With all the gears. And a metal dash like they're meant to be. Real good looking ride. I like this one a lot. Driving around and enjoying myself, this one may be a favorite right here. And if you happen to have an early factory fuel injection unit sitting around, why not just throw it on a factory 5?
Ed Pisano, 1986, Monte Carlo SS. Tom Holloway, 1994, Corvette. Our next award goes to Keith Anderson with a 1992 Camaro.